Hello, this is Trader Low, and I just wanted to do a review of some of my trades in Binance Futures today. Let's see, I had the most fun with Link, to be honest. Link is doing really good moves. Let's see, I didn't enter on this pump. I didn't know the target yet, so I stayed away. I didn't take this long either. I did take this long because I had an easy stop loss. So I took a super small scalp long here. My target was here. Which I got. I closed a little bit in this area, and I was looking for higher. We didn't get that at first. We rejected here, so my long was still okay here. Just super small. I think I risked 0.1% on this one. I didn't take this short. I think I had a profit target in this area. It was only due to a certain percentage of a move. What I did take, I took a short here. The stop loss was super close. It was above this wick there, yeah, correct. And this one worked out. I had my first profit target here, just on this high low, and I had my second profit target down here. That was nice. I think I closed 40% on the second in total, and at the second profit target. Was still not confirmed any failure, so I left most of it. I added to my short here. Oh, stupid magnet is messing with me. I added the short here. This was super obvious because it was just a failure to gain retest. I love these setups. So reject, buy support, new high, then a new local low, even if we actually never closed below here, and rejected the previous zone. These setups are super nice. I got my first profit target in this area. It's just the place you want to hold for longs, so it's always a good profit target for shorts. I didn't play this, and I didn't play this. I could have maybe done a super small long ad here, but I didn't. My long was still valid. Super close to getting stopped, but it was okay. I didn't play this. I had my stop loss at entry still. Actually, I had my stop loss above this zone, the bottom part of the red. So my short was stopped right here. We didn't want to gain this, so not even touch it. So at the moment we got above this zone. It was looking good for longs. We made a new high. I didn't short this, but what I did short, I shorted this, and this is the same type of setup I showed earlier. It's just a retest of this area. So it's a failure to gain retest again on super small time frames. So this was a nice setup. I didn't gain add to my short here, but this was a very good area to add to short also, because if you had pumped above this one would most likely get stopped anyways. You can also see that we tested this area before rejecting here, so this just confirmed the importance of this zone. So my short was still okay. I took some profits. I think I had a super close profit target here, because we could just hold here and go higher. And I had a profit target at this level, so we got it quite nicely. I did have a profit target here also. I think I used one of the previous levels. No, I used this zone, I think, or this zone. This is on my other computer, so I don't have it here. Let's see. After making a new high, we actually wicked below. It stopped out my long. I actually re-entered a long here on the same level as previous, and I took profits in the same zone. I missed this damn short. That is, I didn't miss it. I took it, but I had charted the entries, the levels, with the wrong chart. I did the Binance spot chart, and those levels were a little bit off. So I almost got stopped, but that is okay. But when I moved my stop loss to into profit, I got tagged here because this stop was supposed to be up here. So I messed up in this one. So that sucks, but it's okay. I did a super small add here, so that's okay. What I'm waiting for now, I was hoping to get it here. I'm waiting for a hold, or maybe a move down below here. That's even better. Then I want to break this level, because we already tested it, so I don't want a double top. I want to break it, reject here or even here. Here I have the resting orders already. For a re-add, my stop loss is actually just above. I have a stop loss for this this one below here. So yeah, I just don't like to hold a position into loss. So I have a stop loss here, and I actually have an add up here if we go there. And then if I fail on getting this, or even if I get this, I want a close below this zone again and short retest, because that's the way I like to trade, taking the retest after losing some levels. So it will be interesting to see. I still have a little bit of my short left, but yeah, I have a much larger long still. If we start losing levels here, let's see what we want. So let's see. This was the initial, what I call a trend start. It's actually done here, but this is the first time we finally gain and pump. We want now, then we do a new move, midpoint at top, hold of the midpoint, and so it's quite likely that we can get a move down here again. So we'll just have to see. I don't remember what this level is. Okay, yeah, whatever. So if it really start failing, I want to move down into this area. But first we have to do a failure up here. So let's see. I did a ton of shorts in this area too. It was really funny to trade. But the moves have been even nicer up here. Liquidity is great, so oh, there comes a failure. Let's see now if you can gain it, or if not, I have a short already, so it's fine. We can hold our high low in this range. Okay, we already wicked down. Yeah. Let's just see. I can move to Bitcoin Cash, USDT petrol. What did I do here? Oh yeah, I didn't trade this very much, but this was the previous high. We did a nice test, new high, had the midpoint or the previous zone here. It's super nice, and then I shorted here on this. Just failed to gain retest, or yeah, this setup is not super great, but actually this setup would be better if we done this first, but I did take it because I wanted a short on Bitcoin Cash. Everyone wants a short on Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. I also took a long add to Bitcoin Cash, and I did that here. We made a new high, tested support, even quite low, but, and I took the retest here. So you see the same level, it's suspected over here. So I took it not on the first wick, but took it after this one. This or this, yeah, I took it here. So I have a super small long on Bitcoin Cash, took profits when we come up here, and I took profits on this previous failure. I think I used one of these levels. This I think I used. So that one was nice. I did a few trades on Bitcoin. I primarily trade Bitcoin in well, it's wrong. BitMax, but I trade some here too. USDT perpetual. What the? BTC USDT perpetual. There. This should work. Oh, I was already okay. Whatever. So I actually traded this on smaller time frames. Yeah, so many people took this short. It's just a retest. Let's see, this short. This zone is also a zone of interest because it's a failure of this move. So it was nice. Actually shorted all the way here. So it failed. And you see it came back and rejected just above here. This local support for the move up, the top move. Then we did a nice failure. Some nice profit targets on the short. See that we just tested the swing down here, so just nothing special. I took this long, On the retest, almost stopped. I wanted to hold a little bit higher actually, but it was okay. We got a nice move up. I took profits in here, this area. I took profits in this area. You see the confluence over here. And I took some local time frame trades today. Let's see. This one I had resting orders for, and I got instant profit targets. Super nice. This reshort is super sweet because it's just a retest of the levels here. I had my stop loss above here, I think. Yeah, above these wicks. Then I didn't add any positions here. My average long is still far below here, so it's okay. Some few adds I think I added in 11.3 and 11.150 or something previous. So now we want to hold. Most likely don't want to break this area. I prefer 11.6 for longs, but it's okay still to test down here, maybe even down just a little bit lower, so it's fine. But start closing below here, it's looking quite good for shorts. So we'll see. Right now, Bitcoin and Link and all the others is still uptrendy, but they are showing some signs to trying to reverse at least. So we'll see. My main goals for now is to move down to this area. So 95, see, it's well respected over here. Resistance, failure down below. Failed to gain it here. Tested support, and when we finally broke above, and we held it here, and up we go. So 95 is the area I want to test. If you get some liquidations and stuff, you can even test lower. I don't want it to go below this area, 91, and it's looking very spooky for longs. I might take a small taste later in here, but the safest setup is to wait for a gain above and long the retest at 95 if you get it for longs. So we'll see. There's no point foaming in trades. You get some nice setups all the time. So oh, come on, trading view. Yeah, okay, there. Super slow. Okay, so we held for now. We tested previous support. The support level isn't this wick, it's this swing. So we rejected it for now. Now we need to go above it and hold this as support, so we'll see. Yeah, everything's fine still. My short's looking good finally. I've taken shitloads of shorts. Only one for now has been stopped outright without moving the stop loss down or getting a couple of profit targets, so it's fine. I'm in profits shorting this beast. People say it's not possible to short it, so yeah, bring it on. So yeah, okay. Now I'm waiting for the weekly close on Bitcoin. I want to close above 11.6, and then I want a proper retrace to those levels I mentioned. mid 10s on the, I want the 9, mid 9 area. There's also a CME gap there, so just fill it, and so we don't have to speak more about it. Yeah, okay, later.